We will now discuss on the topic the physiology of hearing, or just the basic mechanism behind hearing. You all are hearing my sound right now, isn't it? Yes. How is it possible? Cells. How are cells involved in hearing? There are certain cells in your ear that's involved in detecting and directing sound waves and translating them so that your brain can allow you to hear. First, we shall go on to the structure of human ear. It can be divided into three basic parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Outer ear, it contains the ear pinna, the ear canal, and the eardrum. And next comes the middle ear, the malleus, incus, and stapes, combined as the auditory ossicles, which forms the smallest bones in human body. And next comes the inner ear. It contains three semicircular canals, vestibule, and cochlea. And the sound waves are collected by the outer ear and funneled into the eardrum, where it is amplified by the three tiny auditory ossicles. And the sound waves are now ready to be translated in the cochlea into nerve impulses, which is the language of our brain. And cochlea in our inner ear, it contains a specialized structure called organ of Corti, which plays a crucial role in hearing. It lies on the surface of the basilar membrane and extends along the length of cochlea. At the end of the organ of Corti, the membrane is narrow and stiffer and vibrates in response to high-pitched sounds, whereas the other end, it is broader and more flexible and responds to deeper sounds. And the organ of Corti, it possesses 3 rows of outer hair cells and a single row of inner hair cells with a tuft of cilia at its tip. The outer hair cells, it amplifies the incoming sound impulses, whereas the inner hair cells converts the sound vibrations into electrical signals. And these sound vibrations rock the organ of Corti along with the hair cells and the microvilli at its tip. And sound vibration causes the tilting of these microvilli, resulting in the opening of K+ and potassium ions into the hair cells. The positive ions entering the cells cause a receptor potential which opens the calcium channels, which in turn triggers the release of neurotransmitters. Here in the case, glutamate is the neurotransmitter which is stored in the synaptic vesicles. And the neurotransmitters diffuse across the space from the hair cells into the receptors on the nerve fibers, creating an electric action potential in the auditory nerve. And these electric impulses travel to the primary auditory area in the brain. And the auditory nerve is a nerve fiber which carry the information from the inner ear into the primary auditory area in the cerebral cortex of the brain. It has 2 branches which is involved in hearing and 1 involved in body balance. And now, just to think, is it able to help people with hearing difficulties? Yes, we can help them by giving them hearing aids, cochlear implants, etc. But the loss of hair cells is the common cause of hearing loss in older people, because like nerve cells, these hair cells also will not regenerate. So, keep your ears safe. Happy hearing. Thank you.